All right, so somebody was asking about as far as being able to measure map when you've got peaks and stuff in it. So obviously if I go like that, that's not going to let me measure it. I have to make roughly what that dimension is there. Go a little bit there, here, come back, and I'll probably do that. This is what I would be considering for my entire front. I'm going to just adjust that a little bit there. So I'm at 84, we'll call it 85 feet. Here, measurement. Got my two dormers. Now these are bigger than normal dormers. And I may have to, I should have zoomed in a little bit more before doing this one. So we got 24, 25 feet, so 50 feet plus the 85, we're at 135 feet for front. And then for the sides, measure this here. Again, you kind of have to guesstimate on it. All right, so 50 feet, that works. Probably 50 feet on this other side. And then we've got basically about 55 feet deep. You can haul it 60 if you really want to. It's not going to make too much difference. So again, 135, 50, 50, and then 60 on this back. That's pretty good. The only thing that I'd want to do is, assuming you already know, sorry, let's go to the front view of this house. It's a newly constructed development. And just come over. This actually has one more section here that we need to add in. So we've got basically about another 10 feet. And then if we want to do across the fronts of these, that's about another 15 to 20 feet. So you'd be at 145, and then whether or not we do these fronts would be another essentially 20, 40, so 195 feet on the fronts. Again, that's assuming that that's the actual house. It actually looks like the dormers actually looked a little bit deeper on that house. They're not as deep on there. But that just gives you a quick idea. I hope that helps.